Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for gold for Monday, April the 5th, 2010. Well, a very bullish candle today, and a fairly large green-bodied candle, and that tells us that the buyers have made some solid net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close. One word of caution here is that the size of the body of the candle has reduced slightly compared to the previous, and that tells us that the buyers, even though they've made some strong net bullish progress, it certainly wasn't as strong as the previous day. And that's telling us that the bulls aren't necessarily as strong as they were, although the size of the candle, of the body of this candle, still reflects that there is quite a bit of strength with the bulls here. So it's probably unlikely that the market will trade off here, although the market is testing this area of resistance at this previous swing high at around 1133. So there, because of that, there is a possibility that the market might come off. So we just really need to watch for a potential lower high and lower low. So the low of this current candle around 1120 becomes very important. If the market does continue to the upside, then there's potential resistance at this other swing high around 1145, and then certainly up around the 1163 region. Considering how bullish this market is, it's likely that the market will trade through that area and test the 1145 region. Although we do need proof of that, and that would be the market trading in a solidly bullish way up above the current high of where it's trading. So the market is in a first time frame uptrend, looking very strong, with the bulls in control, committed, keen, and the bears really not showing any signs of gaining any strength here at the moment. Now, the market has broken up above the cloud or the Kumo, and that is a bullish signal with Ichimoku charts. So there is every likelihood that the trend will continue up on its way and test those areas. The market is trading up above the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, which is another bullish signal for the medium-term and fast-term time frames. The only problem here is that the Tenkan-sen is below the Kijun-sen, so that we still have those two indicators in a bearish configuration. So that hasn't turned around yet, although that crossover does tend to lag price action a little bit, but we can see that the Tenkan-sen has actually started to point up, reflecting the upside momentum in this market. So there is every chance that if this market does continue to the upside over the next few days, we should see a crossover of the Tenkan-sen above the Kijun-sen, confirming the bullishness that we're seeing with the other indicators. Just looking at the Chikou span here, that is above the price action below it, and that tends to confirm the bullish signals that we're getting in this market at the moment. Now, if the market does come off, we have fairly strong potential for support at the Kijun-sen, which is at 1115, the Tenkan-sen 1109, all the way through the cloud down to 1099, and then certainly down below there's very strong resistance and support in a zone from 1080 down to 1066 and then down to 1044. So strong support below. Probability is favouring that the market will probably test this 1145 swing high over the next week or so.